Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and the fans are pouring into the stadium. The tension palpable. Stay with us, we'll have all the action for you from Manchester here on EA TV Live. And welcome everyone to England's Northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Manchester United, and they face Brentford.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Number 8, Bruno Fernandes. Number 7, Cristiano Ronaldo. And number 25, Jadon Sancho.
Good luck.
Thank you for attending Old Trafford. Enjoy the match.
And this confrontation is underway. This is the team Manchester United will go with. David De Gea stands between the posts. Rafael Varane plays alongside Harry Maguire in central defence. Christian Eriksen plays alongside Bruno Fernandes in central midfield. And the focal point in attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes. Christian Eriksen now. Ronaldo. Fernandes. Playing advantage here. United keep it. Eriksen. Diogo Dalot. Well, when you have the best defensive record in the league, it's a sign of genuine togetherness. And that's what United keep on showing, Stuart.
Well, they've been so solid at the back, whether it's in front of their own fans or away from home. I think it comes down to communication. They're just so well drilled and organised. Hopefully for the neutrals, they do concede the first one today.
And a retrospective yellow card is the referee's verdict.
Well, no doubt about it. That earlier challenge was a definite booking.
Fernandes. Will take it away. He won the ball. Oh, he's through here. Well, decent save there. Playing it in. And a goal to open the scoring. A very bright start to this one.
Well, here it is again. It's a good delivery from the corner, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
Action underway once more. Let's see if United have the wherewithal to square the game. And threading it forward. Ronaldo. And still pressing. Spot on with that tackle. Manchester United keep the ball. Advantage. Well, he really read that brilliantly. Oh, big chance. They just couldn't stay in front. And now this match is all square.
Well, let's see this again. He tries to run out with the ball. He has the ball taken off of him. He's made the wrong decision. And suddenly the ball's in the back of the net. Terrible defending.
So the ball is rolling again at 1-1. Cristiano Ronaldo. United finding space on the wing. Fred. Now with Ronaldo. And it's teed up for Ronaldo. And the keeper more than equal to it. Who's going to get on the end of it? It could have been awkward for the goalkeeper. Well, behind for another corner. And clearing it away. Ericsson. And out for a throw-in. Just misfiring with the pass. Ayer. Jensen. Musa Kone. And they need to get tighter. Splendid defending, and it needed to be. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. He could pick out a teammate. Ronaldo. Being egged on by the crowd. And the keeper stretching to deny him. Let's see about the delivery. Just far too close to the goalkeeper. Christian Nørgaard. Well, there to intercept. Ronaldo. Timely intervention. Vitali Janelt. Well, he's going to be disappointed with that pass. Now can they make something happen? Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. Fred. Here's Ronaldo. Take it away. Oh, the threat is there. Gives it a go. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. And he's fired over the corner. Not really the ideal clearance. Ayer. Great strong tackle. Throw in forthcoming. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Moving into the advanced position. Well, it came to nothing in the end. But I think it's time we joined Alex Scott, because there's been a goal in the Brighton game.
Yes, it's a goal for Chelsea. It was a nice pullback, a low...
Can he finish? And quite simply, a wonderful chance was squandered. And that'll be a United throw. Ronaldo. Now with Sancho. Can he do it to take the lead? Full credit, wonderful stop.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Ideal for the goalkeeper, for any keeper. Jensen. And so the referee blows the whistle. So the two teams have switched around, and the second half is underway. Yohan Wissa. And teammates to play it to. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Fred. Here's Ronaldo. Ericsson. Diogo Dalot. Ronaldo. Ericsson's pass needed to be a little bit better. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more action coming up from the Premier League for you. It's Brentford taking on Liverpool. Promising attack, this. Well, they couldn't keep it. Now potential danger. A matter of keeping his composure. Well, putting it wide from there. Disappointing. Fernandes.
A reminder, the food stands will be open.
Perfect tackle.
If you'd like to get yourself some postmates.
Moving forward effectively. Well, nicely cut out. Jensen. He could pick out a teammate. Very much run-of-the-mill as saves go.
Well, it's been such a good game so far. Chances and goals at both ends, and all played at a great tempo. It's certainly been a good watch.
And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. A high degree of difficulty with that sort of attempt.
Well, he's just mistimed it, hasn't he? Didn't catch it how he would have wanted, and well, that's the result.
Ericsson. Ronaldo feeds it. He's trying to create something. Just failing to hit the target. Good effort, though. Well, I'm hearing something has happened in the Brighton game. Alex Scott has the details.
It's a second goal for Chelsea. They've pulled ahead by 2 with 65 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Jensen. Just the challenge that was required. Cristiano Ronaldo. Sancho now. Lost possession, and that is going to be a free kick. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Oh, tremendous vision. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. And now the delivery. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. Well, no damage done. And a Brentford throw-in. Well, the ball lost here. And news of a goal at the Amex. Alex Scott has the information for us.
It's a goal for Brighton. They've pulled one back with 73 minutes played.
Alex with the info as ever. steered out of play, and a throw-in coming up.
Coming off the pitch.
Here it is now, a substitution.
To be replaced by number 10,
Christian Nørgaard. Well, he was in the right place to intercept. 15 minutes left for play. Ronaldo lost it. And intercepting it. A bit of running room now on the wing. Manchester United venture forward. Do they have a winning goal in their future? And cleared away. Jadon Sancho. And the assistant referee has raised his flag, offside. Now, options are plenty. But nothing comes of it. A real opening now. And somehow kept out by De Gea. Corner kick played in. Keeper getting the touch. Well, it looked so threatening, but the danger averted.
Well, I thought that was the game, Derek. But what a fantastic stop by De Gea. He's just kept his team in it there.
Jensen. And Brentford will get the throw in. And given the situation, a goal at this stage might well turn out to be a winner. Firing it in. Determined block. And the teams are level. And every corner counts at this juncture. Still not clear. The danger not over. No, just the tackle that was needed. Keeper there to collect. Error from the keeper. Will they seize on it? Well, possibilities in the centre. And there it is, the full-time whistle. Well, they can't be separated, and goals very much part of the equation. Stuart, as always, interested to get your final analysis.
Well, Derek, it was a really good game between two evenly matched teams. Both had their moments, but